Alright dude, we are T-minus 1 hour until the season finale of CSI.
Wait, Lieutenant Dan CSI or CSI Miami Vice?
Dude, Lieutenant Dan CSI.
Good.
Yeah, 1 large Supreme, okay? Yeah, at apartment 9. And make sure the pizza gets here before CSI starts. Alright? Don't mess with me on this one, because I'm feeling saucy.
Dude, what the hell was that all about?
Oh dude, I found a splinter. Really hurt. Pizza on its way?
Yep, about 40 minutes. That gives us about a 20-minute pizza CSI buffer.
Dude, it's been 40 minutes.
Where is that pizza? I'm so hungry.
I'm not gonna make it. Is there any food left in that kitchen?
Just toaster strudel.
God, no! They say it's better than Pop-Tarts, but they aren't. They just aren't.
Keep it together! I haven't opened that box of toaster strudel in 8 months and I'm not about to start tonight. Well, that might just be because they taste like a strawberry butthole, but also because that pizza's coming! You just gotta have faith. That pizza's coming.
May 10th, 18212. 9:50 p.m. As the night grows deeper, so does our hunger. Our supply of pizza has long missed its rendezvous. The air conditioner has been running non-stop all night, but none of us has wanted to get up and turn it off, so it's very cold. Morale is low. With no hope in sight, our minds turn to one thought: survival.
It's been over 10 minutes. That pizza's not coming.
Well, you don't know that.
Quiet. Fact of the matter is, if any of us want to make it to see that CSI season finale, we have to eat. We better do it soon, while we still have the strength.
Guys, we've been over this. All we have is toaster strudels, and I'd rather eat human flesh than suffer one of those flaky, toasted jizz pockets.
Exactly. What? One of us is gonna have to be eaten so the other two can survive. And watch that season finale.
He's right. We've all played Oregon Trail.
But who's going to be eaten?
We should eat Patrick.
What? You can't just eat me? We have to vote on it.
Alright. All those for Patrick. Alright, hands down. All those against. I'm sorry, buddy.
No. It was fair.
Man, can't believe we're eating Patrick.
Yeah. I don't think it gets any sicker than this.
You're hogging the foot.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy.
Man, I don't think I'll ever be able to eat again. Pizza! Pizza, 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 pizza!